Welcome to Cineverse, to join the universe of cinema with me, Radhika Kavra. Today, we're going to talk about a director's role in the post-production process. हमने फिल्म लिख ली, उसे शूट कर ली, अब टाइम है उसे सजा के ऑडियंस को दिखाने का. So as said earlier, the film is made thrice. Once on the writer's pad, second on director's mind, and third on the editing table. So editing is something which an editor has to do to make the film look like a film, to convey the story, and at the same time make the film saleable. So as a director, what is your job? You need to give the editor the correct briefings of the film, the narration of the film, so that you convey your perspective, your perseverance to the editor. So when he edits, he knows what has to be conveyed through the edits, where the cut has to be there, what should be the alignment of the film, the alignment of the shots, how you have to make the film conventional to sell or to show to the audience or to tell the world the story you want to tell, right? So first comes the narration of the editor. Now अब आप समझा दिए एडिटर को कि मुझे अपनी फिल्म को ऐसे बताना है, and he starts working upon it. Second, when he is done with the alignment, you go and sit with him and see कि उसने जो alignment किया है, is this conventional enough to say the story or it has to be modified. The shots are like a jigsaw puzzle which has to come together to say a story, right? Third, the background score and the music. Music and background score plays a very important role in the whole storytelling. For example, अगर हम एक पुराना घर देखें, ठीक है, उसमें गेट खुल रहा है, एक आदमी अंदर जा रहा है और गेट बंद हो जाता है. Imagine you see all this without the sound, like this. So see, it makes no sense, right? But now if you again see this same scene with sound, like this, उस गेट के क्रीक होने की आवाज़, वो बैकग्राउंड स्कोर जो सस्पेंस क्रिएट कर रहा है, एंड द स्टेप्स ऑफ द पर्सन गेटिंग इन, दिस क्रिएट्स टेंशन in the particular frame, right? So sound is very important. You need to work upon the background score, the dubbing of the dialogues, the Foley artist work, everything to make your film pitch perfect and ready to say the story. So in the post-production, you need to take care of the sound of the film, the color palette of the film, the editing done with the alignments of the shots, and at the same time the titles and the acknowledgements, which is very important. As a director, you should know what is gonna be in the rolling titles of your film. You need to give place and acknowledgement to each and every person working in your film, even on the slightest of level. Maybe the carpenter which made your set design, even his name has to be mentioned. And you need to take care you don't disrespect anyone. You properly acknowledge everyone, the location courtesy, the costume courtesy, every department has to be named, and then you end your film. If you have brand endorsements, put them in the title place. If you have other producers coming in with your producer, get them into yourself, and this is the way you put down your titles. Now, you have made your film, edited your film. Now, as a director, you love what is on the screen. You are satisfied that this is a story you want to tell and it is conviction enough for the audience to get it. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट? अब तो कहानी बन गई, अब आपको जो कहानी कहनी थी वो आपने कह दी है, अब क्या आगे? In the next episode, we're going to learn about the distribution, the ways you can tell or sell your films, and where to take it. See you in the next episode. Thank you.